So how can we find the hybridization of each atom in this molecule? Okay, so using a table on the right, based on the number of groups, you can easily predict what the hybridization is going to be. Now, the groups would be the number of atoms and lone pairs that is attached to the atom that you're analyzing. So let's look at this carbon atom. Let's say if we want to find the hybridization for it. That carbon atom is attached to 4 other atoms. It's connected to 3 hydrogen atoms, and it's attached to a carbon atom. So therefore we would say it has 4 groups, so it's sp3 hybridized. What about this carbon atom? That carbon is attached to 2 other carbon atoms, so it has 2 groups, so it's sp hybridized as well. This is also sp hybridized. And what about this carbon? It's attached to a carbon, a nitrogen, and an oxygen, so it has 3 groups, so therefore it's sp2 hybridized. Now what about hydrogen? Hydrogen is only attached to 1 other atom, in that case nitrogen, so it has 1 group, so the hybridization for it is S. And what about this nitrogen atom? It's attached to a hydrogen atom, another one, a carbon, and it has a lone pair. So it has 4 groups, 3 atoms in a lone pair. So we would say it's sp3 hybridized. And finally, what about this oxygen atom? It's attached to a carbon atom, and it has 2 lone pairs. So it has 3 groups, so therefore it's sp2 hybridized. That's a quick way to tell what the hybridization is for every atom in a molecule.